We all have power, every one of us. What matters is what we do with it. At York, you'll find yours. A city ancient and new, cultured and caring. A bold and supportive university driven by Russell Group research. Here, you can learn from some of the world's greatest minds. You can explore the impact you'll make. With us, you'll find a campus that's green and open, welcoming and safe. You'll find the space to think, the freedom to be yourself, and the support to overcome whatever's in the way. It's home to our college system, a ready-made family built on shared stories and big ideas. A supportive community of students from all over the world. We're home to all sorts of interests and activities, with more than 250 student-led societies, sports teams and groups for you to join. You have a power to share, and the University of York is the place to share it. A place where independent minds come together to do more than we could ever do alone. Find your people, find your power, find your place at York.